Okay, now let's see the fifth puzzle of this series. It is given that 9 person, these are the names of person, sit in a straight line, okay, having 10 seats. There are 10 seats but person are 9 only, so it means one seat will be vacant. 5 of them are facing towards the south, 5 facing towards the south. It means definitely 4 will face towards the north direction. Okay, 4 are them facing north direction. One seat is vacant and each of them like different flower. These are the names of flower. Okay, total 3 and 3 and 4 7 8 9 flower are given, but not necessarily in same order. G sit third to the left of P, so write this. G sit third to the left of P na, it means two person will be there between these two, so third to the left of P. P who likes what? Lily. P likes Lily. Done. After this, the one who likes Daisy sit at extreme end of the row, so Daisy, Daisy, Daisy will be at end. After this, neither X or M at the extreme end. We can write here also, X and M are not at the end of line. None of them like marigold. Also, these both do not like what? These both do not likes marigold. M-A-R-I. Okay. After this, there is one vacant space between G and O. G, then vacant space, then O. One of the immediate neighbor of N face opposite direction to N. So write N, make the sign of immediate neighbor, write what? This is opposite direction, and write OD. OD means opposite direction. Opposite direction of what? N. Okay. After this, and another like the daffodils. If one is the another opposite direction of N and the other person likes daffodils. Another person likes daffodils. So in short, I am writing def. I hope you understand. Any of these will be like, if daffodils is here, then this person will be opposite direction of N. Okay, and vice versa. The immediate neighbor of P face the opposite direction. Okay, so the immediate neighbors of P face what? Face opposite direction, and none of them likes marigold. Mean these both do not like what? Marigold. M-A-R-I, marigold. Okay. O is the only neighbor of B who face south direction and likes rose. See, very carefully read this condition. O is the only immediate neighbor of B na. So who one of these will be sit at the extreme end. Okay, who will sit? Suppose here I write if B. Okay, and then after I write O, and it is saying that O is the only immediate neighbor. So how it will be? Like if I make the other person this side, then see now, O is the only immediate neighbor of B. Yes or no? Got it? So it means definitely we can say that B will be at the end. B will sit at end. Okay, so B will be at end. So we can make this condition now. B 1 2 3. 1 minute. B 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this side B 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now these all are, if we count all now, these all makes total 10. So O will be here. Wait a minute. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and here will be O. O is the only immediate neighbor of B. B who face which direction? South direction. B face south direction and likes what? It likes rose. Okay, it likes rose. Done. Now after this, T, I think here T sits second to the left of X. T sits second to the left of X. So T second left of X. Okay, according to the face of X, we will place T, but that should be second left. X, whose immediate neighbor likes marigold. Okay, so the immediate neighbor of X likes what? Marigold. So immediate neighbor of X likes marigold. Done. So the immediate neighbor of X likes what? Marigold. So accordingly I have written here. Next condition, what is given here? And face same direction as P and sits third to the left of T who likes orchid. So one by one we will write all the condition. And face same direction of P. So N and P are same direction. Huh? Wait a minute, let me zoom out it. Okay, I hope it is visible to you. So N N and P face same direction, N and P SD. Done. And sit third to the left of T. Who sits third to the left of T? N face the same direction. This sentence is for N again. And where N sit third to the left of T. So we can make like this condition. We can write like this: P and N. Okay, P and N should face same direction, and N face where N sit third to the left of T. Okay, T who like what? T who like orchid. So T likes orchid, or CHID. Okay, Q is not immediate neighbor of G. Q is not immediate neighbor of G. We cannot start, I think, till now. We can write this G here. It means definitely this will be vacant, and here will be G in this condition. Okay, so after this, what was given? Q is not immediate neighbor of G. Q is not immediate neighbor of G, so it means, okay, we cannot write here Q, and in this condition we cannot write here Q. After this, Q does not face towards south direction, so Q will face north. Q will face north, so north. Okay, and after this, sunflower is liked by the person who sits immediate left of the person, left of G. Okay, so immediate left of G, and here sunflower is not possible, so it means definitely we can say that G will face south direction, and this will like sunflower, sun. Okay, and in this G will face north direction, and this person will like sunflower. Okay, by the immediate left of G, and face the person who likes sunflower face the opposite direction as T. So it face opposite direction of T, so we don't know the where T faces. Okay, so now we have written all the condition. Now we will check one by one these all. So P and first try to check the condition which cover maximum space. As always I told you. So here if we see this condition, this is covering 4 places. Okay, and this is cover only, this also covers 4 places, but in this and this both, if I compare these both, here more conditions are given, I think, as I remember, as I know, because P Lily is also given now, so we will use this now first. So P Lily, and that should be second. G is second to the left of P, and here will be Lily. Okay, and here G is here, so here will be P, right, Lily. Done. So we have used this now. Okay, and P will where P will face? P will face in this condition south, and in this condition north. Only in that condition it will be no third to the left. After this, check the condition which is second largest. This is a method. Okay, not 100%. It works 95%. Okay, in the condition you may find any puzzle in that it not works. Okay, so Q is not immediate neighbor. After, if I talk about the second largest condition, this is given us. So if we check this here, T, okay, T and N, T and N, T and N, T and N. Okay, there are, it means 2 possibilities are there, T and N. Okay, 1 minute. Also always remember, always write the condition that are given direct. After that you try, after that you check this. Like I forgot this condition, actually it was very easy and I could write also, but I forgot to write it. We know that Daisy will be at the end now, so write it. Daisy, definitely it will be here, and in this condition Daisy will be here. Okay, Daisy we have written, and now at the end X and M should not be there. X and M will not be at the end. P and N are facing same direction. Okay, and 1 minute, I think I have written this condition wrong. The immediate neighbor of P now face opposite direction, and none of them likes marigold. It means no, they do not like. Remember this, they do not like marigold. Now if I try this, so T, if T in this condition, T and N can be here. Okay, and if I write T here and here, many possibilities are there. Mean two both of these possible condition are giving us two possibilities. Okay, 1 minute, I can merge this with this now. So just directly first of all merge this. Okay, so it will reduce our it will be helpful for us. So if I write suppose that if I write x t here, okay, suppose I write t here, then is this possible to write x? Not possible, na? Not possible. So it means this deducted over possibility. Now if I write x here, sorry, t here, we have checked here now t. If I write t here, one by one we'll check all the places we have checked here. Now if I write t here, is it possible? This is possible because, sorry, I check t here, then x will come here, okay, and n will come here. Okay, no problem, it is possible. So 1 minute, if we write t here, we have to check it again now. Suppose that if I write, I'm just writing here once, if I write take t here, okay, then orchid will be here. Either we can draw the two possibility, okay, or we can check here and check like this. So if then t x will be confirmed here, okay, and n will be here, yes or no, and x have to face down, and immediate neighbor of p don't like marigold, okay, immediate neighbor of b don't like marigold, mean marigold will not come here, and this condition was given that x immediate neighbor of any of immediate neighbor will like marigold, mean marigold will be here in that condition, okay, marigold, okay, done. And x and m don't like marigold, and x and n also notes it at end. So here n, it is possible, okay, wait a minute, p and n are same direction, and p is facing in this direction. This is we can continuously, I mean no problem is there na. So we can, it means this is possible, and if we found the other possibility wrong, in that condition we will make it. So now t is not possible here, t is possible here, I am making highlight here, t is possible here. Now let's try here, is t is possible here or not. If I write t here, suppose if I write t here, and t definitely not possible here na. Is it possible to write t here? Okay, t definitely not possible here, and here also t not possible. Because why t not possible here? Because where x will go then. And if I write t here, that is not possible, because where then n will go. Okay, mean we will check here only. If this condition goes wrong, then definitely t will be here. Okay, so now let's check it. So if t is here, then where x will go? X can come here, okay, or either x can come here. If x comes here, then definitely x cannot come here. Why? Because one of the immediate neighbor of x should be marigold, like marigold. So here marigold is not possible, mean x will be here, and this will like marigold, okay, but x should not be at the end. It means definitely I can say that this condition is wrong. So I will go ahead with this t like orchid, okay, mean if you are finding many possibility, orchid, okay, t likes orchid, and now write all the condition here. X will be, here will be x, and here will be 9, sorry, n, and x likes what? X likes what we done, that we don't know, but the immediate neighbor of x likes marigold. Wait a minute, let me reduce the size of this. Okay, x, the immediate neighbor of x likes marigold, so here will be marigold, okay, and thus this we have done. Now similarly, if we talk about this condition now, that same will happen here also. So this condition will be wrong, this other because this is the just reverse of this now. If I write t here, okay, a t here definitely will be wrong. Wait a minute, suppose, tell me, is it possible to write t here? Not possible, okay, and is it possible to write t here? Not possible, because Sunday is there. And it is possible to write t here. T here it is possible. T here is it possible or not? If I write t here, then x will go either here or here. That same, wait a minute guys, always remember, do not check, because we know nothing is different in these both conditions. They are just reverse of each other. Okay, immediate mean exactly reverse of each other, so we will just directly start this. So t will go here. Don't check it, just directly write, because you know this thing. Okay, this is the mirror of this. If you see in a mirror type of, okay, so n he will be here, here will be marigold. Okay, and after this all the rest condition are same, so make a line here. Now check the other condition which we have done. Marigold is immediate neighbor of x. Okay, and x and m should not like marigold. This condition also fulfill in both the condition, so we can erase this. And x and m should not be at the end, so m will not come here, then definitely m will go here. In this condition m will be here, so this also we have done now. And x is to the left, t is to the left of x now, so it means in this condition x will face upside, and in this condition x will face downside, south. Okay, this is done, this is done. T like orchid I written, but I have not written this now. Orchid I'm writing here upstairs, orchid, orchid. Let me zoom it, because we have written all the condition now. We have used all the condition. Now what is left? What is left now? T, or t likes what? This is t, not I. Okay, t likes orchid, and here was n. So to make it left, we have to show the its face. We have to done its face towards this side direction, and in this it will be face, it will face south, it will face north. Okay, this is done, this is done. P and n and p both face same direction now. So if we don't know, okay, we know the where p face, and in this condition p face upside, so this also face upside. Done this condition also. G and q both should not be immediate neighbors. These both should not be immediate neighbor, and q is facing towards north. So where we can write q? First of all, we can write q here. In this condition q will be here, and q is facing north, q is facing north, and g and q should not be immediate neighbor. Okay, they are not immediate neighbor. And marigold should not be immediate neighbor of p. That is already we have done here. P is not immediate neighbor of p in any of these condition, and the immediate neighbor of p are facing opposite direction. So see here, immediate neighbor of p are facing or not? Okay, opposite direction is there, but in this the immediate neighbor of p are okay. In this also they are facing opposite direction. Done. Immediate neighbor of this, what was this condition? Slash I have put it here, because one of the immediate neighbor should be opposite to n. See where is n? N is here, n is facing north, so one of the immediate neighbor of n should face opposite to n, but here both of the immediate neighbor of n are facing towards the same direction as same as n. So it means this condition will be wrong. See this condition, this in this condition n is facing towards south, so one of the immediate neighbor is facing opposite, right? So this condition fulfill our requirement. And now one of the immediate neighbor also like daffodils, so daffodils will be here, so we can erase it now. Now this, what was this condition? 5% should face south direction. Count now, 1 2 3 and 4, and now one left. I think one, this will face south direction. Okay, and the remaining 4 should face north. 1 2 and 3, and which left? Wait a minute, I think I have missed one condition here. Okay, see this last condition we forgot here, that sunflower is liked by the person who sits immediate left of G. Okay, sunflower is liked by the person who sits immediate left of G. Done. But after this, the end face, the sunflower face in the opposite direction as T. So sunflower face opposite direction as T now. So if T is facing towards north, then it will face south. Okay, so all south are done, so the remaining will face north. Then I hope you understand this. So this will be our final answer, so you can match it here. Okay, so let's see the next puzzle.